Are you looking for the 5 best drone? In this video, we will look at some of the best drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DJI Air 2 Siemens. The DJI Air 2 Siemens is still a great option if picture quality is more important to you than size, even though it is no longer the newest drone in DJI's inventory and just lost its top rank to the DJI Mini 3 Pro above. This drone includes a 20MP 1-inch sensor that is identical to the one in the earlier Mavic 2 Pro, giving it better light gathering abilities than the Mini 3 Pro, as well as a small, foldable frame. We praised this combination in our evaluation, making the Air 2 Siemens our top pick for professionals and amateurs who actually want that bigger sensor. Even though the new Mini 3 Pro shown above is even smaller, it has a superior camera. You have a fantastic all-around aircraft that dominates its mid-range competitors. However, those with a smaller budget should still take the Mavic Air 2 into attention. At number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, in our opinion, is the greatest mini drone you can purchase since it offers the performance of larger drones in manageable sizes. Although it costs more than previous Mini models, the Mini 3 offers a significant improvement over the Mini 2. In exchange for your money, you receive a far better camera, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a number of in-flight functions that are often reserved for bigger drones. The Mini 3 Pro performs well in low light thanks to a brilliant f/1.7 lens, dual native ISO technology, and very little noise even at the highest ISO 6400. You will, without a doubt, find the greatest backpack-friendly combo for aerial photography and video if you can extend your budget to include the DJI RC controller. At number 3. Autel Evo Light Plus. The Evo Light Plus, the flagship drone from Autel's most recent lineup of DJI competitors, directly competes with the Air 2 Siemens. Its spec sheet is very similar and it can capture 4K video at 30 frames per second utilizing a 1-inch sensor. But with a 40-minute flying duration, it also surpasses the Air 2 Siemens and the Mavic Pro 2. The bigger pixels on its sensor provide the Light Plus model superior light gathering capabilities in low-light situations, even if it lacks the fourth-axis stability of its AVO Light sister. In our assessment, we found the Light Plus to be an amazingly adaptable piece of flying camera gear. Given the price, the 20MP sensor is likely the greatest drone camera currently on the market, giving the Air 2 Siemens some significant competition. At number 4. DJI Mini 3. The Mini 3 is the greatest inexpensive drone you can acquire if you don't require collision avoidance. It offers the same picture quality as its more expensive sister and is smaller, lighter, and less expensive than the Mini 3 Pro. It's a high-quality drone capable of taking superb JPEG and RAW still photos as well as 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, provided you feel competent navigating in-flight obstacles without automatic aid. Its 12MP sensor's ability to pivot to capture portrait shots is advantageous. In the optional controller with downward vision sensors and GPS to assist in hovering, we found it to be a simple drone to fly. Better picture quality and more stability in windy circumstances would be obtained by upgrading to the Mavic 3 Classic, but with respectable real-world flying lengths of 25 minutes, the Mini 3 checks all the essential boxes for budget customers. At number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The first consumer drone with 3 cameras is DJI's latest model. Most pilots don't need two more than this. The Mavic 3 Pro, however, seems to be the best choice if you're an aerial photographer or filmmaker looking for the most adaptable drone on the market, according to the findings of our tests. In our evaluation, we discovered that the primary 24mm 4/3 camera, same one used by the Mavic 3 Classic below, had the greatest picture quality. Despite being a professional drone, we found the Mavic 3 Pro to be surprisingly simple to operate thanks to great safety measures that make it usable by everyone. However, because of its price and professional-level video capabilities, it is overkill for amateurs. But the Mavic 3 delivers all of that, and to telephoto lenses if you want a high-end drone that is more portable and less costly than the Inspire 3. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.